In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, we're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is straightforward and easy to understand. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into Salesforce. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your login credentials, which include your username and password. If everything checks out, you should be able to access the Salesforce dashboard. In case you encounter any login issues, make sure your credentials are correct or get in touch with your Salesforce administrator for assistance. Once you're on the Salesforce dashboard, head over to the App Launcher. This is usually represented by a grid icon located at the top left of your screen. Clicking on it will display a search bar. In this search bar, type Contacts to quickly locate the Contacts option. Click on it to open the Contacts section, which will bring up a detailed list of all the contacts that are currently in your system. With the Contacts section open, you'll see a button labeled New on the interface. Clicking this button will initiate the process of creating a new contact within Salesforce. This action opens up a new form where you'll input all the necessary details pertaining to the contact you're looking to add. Now, it's time to enter the contact's information. You want to ensure you fill in the first name, last name, email, and phone fields. These are critical details that will help in effectively managing and communicating with your contacts. Additionally, you might see a field for a related account. This is where you associate the new contact with an existing client or business entity. Connecting contacts with the correct accounts is vital to maintaining organized and accessible records, especially if your Salesforce usage requires linking multiple contacts to a single account or organization. After you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review what you've input. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any complications or mix-ups later on. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the information entered, locate the Save button, typically situated at the bottom or top of the form. By clicking Save, you're finalizing the process and the new contact will be added into your Salesforce database. And just like that, you've successfully created a new contact in Salesforce. This process is quite simple once you get the hang of it, and you'll find it becomes second nature over time. Remember, keeping your contacts up to date and correctly linked to their respective accounts will greatly enhance your organization's data management and communication efficiency. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you can now navigate Salesforce with greater confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials to make the most of your Salesforce experience.